Everyone, welcome back in my channel AI about life. Today I want to explain you the human lungs on the basis of structure, functions and its diseases. So, 1. Human lungs. The human lungs are a pair of vital organs responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide through the process of respiration. 2. Structure of human lungs. It is located dorsal side of chest cavity, protected by ribcage and diaphragm. Its shape is like cone, with apex at top and base at bottom. Its size is that the right lung is larger and heavier than left lung. Each lung is divided into lobes. Right lung has 3 lobes and the left lung has 2 lobes according to their structures. 3. Function of human lungs. A. Oxygenation. The main function of lung is to bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide from the body. B. Respiration. The exchange of gases such as O2 and CO2 between air and blood is due to lungs. C. pH regulation. Lungs also helps to regulate body's acid-base balance and maintain it normal. 4. Parts of the lungs. The human lungs are divided into 5 main parts as A. Trachea, windpipe. It is a tube that carries air from throat to lungs. B. Bronchi. These type of tubes that branch off from trachea to each lung. C. Bronchioles, a type of smaller tubes that branch off from bronchi. D. Alveoli, it is a type of tiny air sacs where gas exchange occurs. E. Pulmonary capillaries, the tiny blood vessels around the whole alveoli. 5. Process of breathing by lungs. The process of breathing occurs in 3 steps. A. Inhalation. During diaphragm contraction, air enters to the lungs through trachea. B. Gas exchange, oxygen diffuses into blood, carbon dioxide diffuses out. C. Exhalation, when diaphragm relaxes, air outs of the lungs through trachea. Moving towards the next part of the video. If you haven't liked and subscribed our channel, so quickly like and subscribe it to watch these type of more interesting videos. 5. Lung diseases, symptoms and prevention or treatment. Lung diseases affect the lungs and respiratory system, impacting breathing and overall health. A. Asthma. It is a chronic respiratory condition with inflammation and constriction of airways. Its common symptoms are wheezing, coughing, shortness of breath and chest tightness, etc. This disease is treated by medications, inhalers, and by lifestyle changes, etc. B. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. It's a progressive lung disease with airflow limitation. Its symptoms are shortness of breath, wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, etc. It is treated by medications, oxygen therapy, pulmonary rehabilitation. C. Pneumonia. It is also an infection of lungs. This disease is usually caused by bacteria or viruses. Its symptoms include cough, fever, chills, shortness of breath, chest pain and may other causes. This disease is treated by antibiotics, rest, hydration, oxygen therapy. D. Tuberculosis, TB. It is a bacterial infection that primarily affects lungs. Its common symptoms include cough, fever, weight loss, night sweats, chest pain. Antibiotics, rest, nutrition, isolation are the special methods to reduce or restrict the TB. E. Pulmonary embolism, PE. This disease is blockage of artery in lungs, usually caused by blood clot. Its symptoms are sudden shortness of breath, chest pain, coughing up blood. Anticoagulants, thrombolytic, oxygen therapy are the common methods to recover the PE. F. Cystic fibrosis. Genetic disorder affecting respiratory and digestive systems is a disease often caused by recurrent lung infections, digestive issues, malnutrition. Its common treatment include medications, chest physiotherapy, nutrition therapy. G. Idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, IPF. A progressive scarring of lung tissue. It is shortness of breath, coughing, fatigue, weight loss, etc. Medications, oxygen therapy, lung transplant are the common methods to recover the idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The lungs are a complex and remarkable organ, with an intricate structure that enables efficient gas exchange and respiration. Hope you will have understood the human lungs from each corner, so like and subscribe to meet with us in next video. Bye.